So good evening to all. So today we will see how to take attendance of Google Meet in our mobile phones. So for that we have to go to the Play Store and we have to search for this Kiwi browser. So we have to download this Kiwi browser. We have to install it. I have already installed it. So first step is to download this Kiwi browser. After that, go to the Kiwi browser and then click on these three dots. Then go to the settings, then accessibility, and here at the end we will see an option desktop mode by default. We have to tick this option. Then we will search for Chrome Web Store. So we will go to the Web Store and we will search for the extension, and the name of the extension is Google Meet Attendance. This Google Meet Attendance extension. Then click on this extension. So here so many extensions will be there. Now we will click on this extension with tick mark. So this page will appear. Here a blue tab will be there. I have already added this extension, that's why it's showing remove from Chrome. Otherwise it will show add to Chrome. So we have to click on add to Chrome. After clicking here, this extension will be added. So we can see that whether this extension is added or not again by clicking on these three dots and then go to the extensions. So we will see that this extension is successfully added. Now it's time to move to the class. So we will search for Google Classroom. Then we will go to the class. Here if you are using this browser for the first time, it will ask you to enter by using your ID and password. So you will enter your ID and password and you will browse for the classroom. So I am going to the classroom. Go to the classroom. So my all classes are showing here. Suppose I want to take attendance of this 12th A, so I will go to the 12th A. I will click here on the camera. And then join now. So here a track attendance tab will appear. So when you start the class, you click on this track attendance. Now it is tracking your attendance. It is taking your class attendance. Once the class is over, again you click here. So it will automatically show your class attendance. So there are 6 attendance showing to me. So I have to see the class whose attendance I want to download. So this is this one class. So you will click on the view report, then download as PDF, and here you will select save as PDF and then download. After that we will rename it with the name, whatever the name you want to give. So I am giving it the name 12th A attendance and then save. So the attendance is saved. So we will check go to the file manager, then downloads, and then refresh it. So this is the attendance we have taken just now. So click on it, so you will see your attendance. So only I was the participant in the class, that's why only my name is visible here. So this will show all the students of your class and how long they was in the class. So this is how we can take attendance in the Google Meet. So thank you very much.